Hi, I'm Anya from Ocarina Workshop. This short video is your introduction to the English ocarina. Firstly, put the string around your neck. Now hold the ocarina with the mouthpiece towards your mouth and the string end towards the ground and rest it on your thumbs like this. Once you're holding the ocarina comfortably, put the mouthpiece between your lips and blow to make a nice sound. Stop! Now place the first two fingers on each hand onto the holes of the ocarina. The four holes should be covered like this. Again, place the ocarina in your mouth and blow a note. Stop! You need to check that all holes are fully covered with the soft pads at the end of your fingers. If the holes aren't fully covered, your ocarina may sound out of tune. You have already learnt how to play high D and low D. On to the next note. With the first finger on each hand, cover the two holes nearest to your mouth. Make sure that the holes are covered and blow steadily. Stop! You have learnt high D, low D and A. You can practice these three notes like this. And if you want to be one step ahead of your classmates, try a new note B to make this sound. Enjoy practicing and see you in the next video.